4 Harare city officials, Neva Murewa, Jabulani Mukomazi, Denford Jungu, and Tawanda Mutan Habundo, are facing serious charges of criminal abuse of office. They allegedly awarded a staggering $9 million streetlight rehabilitation tender to Juluka Endo, bypassing proper procedures. Before we go any further, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss any updates. The gravity of this situation can't be overstated. These officials were denied bail, deemed a flight risk, and potentially capable of tampering with ongoing investigations. The impact on public trust and governance is significant as residents demand accountability. The officials are now remanded in custody until August 7th, awaiting further legal proceedings. This case serves as a critical reminder of the importance of transparency and adherence to the law in public office. Stay tuned as we continue to follow this developing story.